Alpaka really excels in their pouch designs, and one of my favorites is the 2-liter flight sling, which I've had for about 3 months and have already taken on about 6 trips, including flights to Hawaii, Detroit, and Palm Springs. My favorite thing about this sling is the slim shape and the ability to convert it from a pouch to a daily carry sling. The 2-liter size that I have here measures about 10 by 7 inches or 25 by 17 centimeters, but it's only about 2 inches or 5 centimeters deep. This is a good size to fit into many of these front pouches on travel backpacks. For example, the large carry pouch on the Cotopaxi Alpha, and then the large front organizational pocket on the Air TP3. This style allows me to use it as a tech pouch when I'm carrying it in my backpack, or I can switch to a sling bag when I'm carrying this throughout the day. It's hard not to appreciate the quality Alpaka puts into their gear. Durable, soft, mid-weight ripstop nylon exterior, with a nice orange hexagon ripstop interior so you can see all your gear really easily. This is very water resistant. It has waterproof treated fabric as well as these YKK Aquaguard zippers. The pockets on the flight sling are minimal yet well organized. A pocket on the front with its own volume, slim non-zippered pocket in the back, and then the main volume pocket here in the middle. You can see this front pocket is rather large. It sticks out a little bit from the front of the pack, so it has its own volume that's not going to compete with the main compartment. This rear pocket is thinner, no zipper, doesn't have its own volume, so great for thinner items like passport, travel wallet, and it's a little bit too small for kind of a normal size smartphone. The interior of the flight sling is also simple but well organized. It has 3 dividers that can either pop out or lay flat depending on how you want to pack the bag. So for example, if you keep these dividers folded flat, you're going to have this main pocket for the entire volume storage on the inside. But mix or match, if you want to put stuff in these pockets, the rear pocket is fuzzy line, large enough for an iPad mini, or it fits my Books Nova 3, no problem. And if you do put a tablet or e-reader in here, it has a little bit of padding. There's this fuzzy liner on the top. This is kind of a little stiff panel. There's about 5 layers of fabric on the back if you're counting this back pocket. And then it's a very thin layer, but there is a piece of foam padding between these 2 layers. This is going to offer some decent protection just for carrying your tablet around, but it's not going to protect it on a heavy fall. And then finally, on the front side of the pack, just 2 simple divider sleeves. These are also going to lay flat or pop out to fill whatever gear that you want to put in here. What I think makes the flight sling really functional is the ability to remove this strap. If you want to just use this as a tech pouch, carry it in your sling, you just pop these off. There's just a little clip buckle here, but if you want to carry it throughout the day, switch it over to a sling mode, then just strap these on and it converts into a sling. Also an easily removable Maglocks slide clip, just slide it to take it off. And to show you that close up, just slide it. It has 2 little clips here, so it's just going to magnetically attach to itself. It's not going to come undone until you slide it open again. So that's just a quick overview on the sling, very simple and basic. However, the real use on this is what you pack in it and how you carry. So I have a couple of piles of gear on the table, so I'll pack this thing up and show you what I carry in the bag. I've been using this in kind of 2 major ways with almost separate sets of gear. The first one is kind of a little pouch for my seat when I'm flying on an airplane. My main setup here is charger, battery pack, cord, earbuds, airfly, sleep mask, little travel wallet, hand sanitizer, tissues, lip balm, a small pill bottle, and my e-reader. E-reader in the fuzzy sleeve, kind of smaller, tall stuff in these front pockets, make it a little bit easier to get to. And then stuff I want easy access to, like a charger and the cord in this front pocket. I stuffed a few more things in this main pocket, travel wallet with a passport, chapstick, notebook, and I'll just put a little package of tissues right on top. Back sleeve, just a regular wallet and a sleep mask. I'd probably just carry this in my pocket, but I'll stick it in here just to show you what fits. That's everything on the table there. A little bit of extra room, pretty full, but I think it all fits in there pretty good. The second way I carry this is for my camera gear when I'm carrying the bag during days when I'm filming. Large main pocket is perfect for pocket 3 tripod, and then a little action cam over here on the side. Top sleeve pockets, I'll put the other half of the action cam and a little battery pack, and then the charge cord for all the gear in the battery pack in the front pouch. That's what that looked like. Not quite as full as the other setup. I don't really have anything sticking up here really on the top, but gives me good access to all my camera gear down here in the bottom, so I can just pull it out and put it back in really easily. This is what it looks like on me. Pretty basic setup, just a kind of a standard sling. You can either just wear it on your front, back, or side. It really only works in this orientation. This really isn't going to work as a hip pack. In summary, the Alpaka Flight Sling is a well-designed, versatile bag that can switch between either a tech pouch or a carry sling by taking off or putting on this carry strap. This comes in 2 sizes. The 2-liter has been working really well for me, either pack all the kit that I take on an airplane or to fit all my camera gear when I'm carrying this on days when I'm filming. And the slim kind of tech pouch style design fits well into a lot of travel backpacks without being too bulky. I hope you enjoyed this review on the Alpaka Flight Sling 2-liter size. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And again, thanks for watching.